We are back with Live at 5. Moe Schlachter is with us again. He's from Beef Loving Texans. Do appreciate you coming back in.
Thank you so much for having me. And I got a fun one for you guys today. You know, we here in Texas, we love our beef and we love our food on a stick.
That's very true.
That is for sure. So I got a fun one for you today. You get the kids involved in this one. Very delicious. A little bit, some new flavors, the Mediterranean flair. So we're going to be doing beef kufta, which is beef on a stick, kind of like a skewer, but maybe a little bit different than the kebabs you might be used to.
Yeah.
So we're going to start, of course, with 93% lean ground beef. You can go a little bit leaner, of course, if you're watching the fat intake. This, of course, is packed with vitamins, minerals, and it's a great value at the grocery store. So you really want to find ways to use this, and you know, this is just kind of different from chili, it's different from hamburgers, and you know, maybe different from some things you might have done in the past. So we're going to start putting like a meatball mix together. You could start with the onions over there, some diced onion. All right. And we're going to go in with the spices. We have some dried, olives. Yeah, dried mint is fine, right over there. Dried mint, yeah. A lot of sweet Mediterranean flavor is going to really brighten this dish up. In there you have the cumin, the coriander, the allspice, the cinnamon, and that's really going to raise the aroma. So, and olive oil, salt, right in. Yep. Oil, yes. The olive oil has those heart healthy fats and really complements beef very, very well. Salt in there, and you can go ahead and start mixing that down. Now it's going to be a little bit rough at the start, but you can, you know, get it broken down. Now, normally when you're making hamburgers, you're not going to want to overwork the meat. I always say that. With this recipe, though, you can really overwork it because you want the beef to stick onto the stick over here, right? I guess stick onto the skewer. Yeah. So what I'm going to do while Greg is mixing that up, I have some mix already made. I'm going to be putting this onto the skewer, just forming it nice all the way down. And I'm going to leave about 2 inches at the bottom so that you have a place to hold on to it. Now the grill is already going. We have it at around 350 degrees, and these are only going to take about 7-9 minutes or so, or a beef thermometer, a meat thermometer gonna show you 145 on the dial. So we have one formed right over here, and look how easy that is.
It smells good already too, Moe.
Right, the aroma is really, really coming out, and you're getting the zinc, the B12, the protein, of course. And you know, this is something that's going to be great for the kids to come and grab, help out with. We have one already. I'm going to pull that one off. Long handle tongs, you don't want to burn your hands working around the grill. And look at those beautiful, beautiful grill marks on there. Yep. And this has that aroma, has the flavor. We're pairing it today with some Mediterranean favorites. We have, of course, whole grain pita. We have some hummus. We have some tahini sauce on there. We have some parsley. Getting a lot of different colors, a lot of different you know, foods kind of going with the beef. Enhance the flavor and enhance, of course, the nutrition. Now, beef, this dish is going to be fantastic on the go. You know, bring it to a backyard barbecue and you're set.
Looks like something you'd find at the fair as well, kind of fair food, if you will.
Yeah, this is, it's fair game for sure. So you can find this great recipe, so much more at beeflovingtexans.com.
Beeflovingtexans.com. Moe, thanks so much.
Thank you for having me.